Let's prepare many delicious air fry recipes on same sauce. Like cassava mogo Manchurian,
Delicious soya chunks Manchurian.
egg Manchurian, paneer Manchurian. Let's prepare that amazing sauce. Add 2 tablespoons oil in preheated pan. On high flame, add 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic, 1 inch finely chopped ginger. Sauté for 1 minute. Add 2 to 3 slit green chillies. Sauté for few seconds. Add 1 big sliced onion. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a half yellow, red and green diced bell peppers each. Sauté for 2 minutes on high flame. Add a half cup chopped spring onions. Sauté for 1 minute. Add salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoons dark soya sauce. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Add 2 tablespoons chili sauce. Add a half teaspoon crushed black pepper. Add a 1/4 cup water. Cook for 1 minute on high flame. Add air fryer cassava mogo. Garnish with spring onions. Delicious mogo Manchurian ready to serve. Another recipe. Add air-fried soya chunk balls. Delicious soyabeans Manchurian ready to serve. Next recipe. Add air-fried eggs into the sauce. Delicious egg Manchurian ready to serve. Next recipe. Add air-fried cooked paneer into the same sauce. Delicious paneer Manchurian ready to serve. Detailed of each air fryer recipes given in the link below. Please feel free to subscribe my channel.